Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. For homeowners in Hilliard, where changing seasons bring cold winters, humid summers, and occasional storms, choosing high-quality windows is one of the smartest long-term investments you can make. While budget-friendly window options may seem appealing at first, premium, well-built windows offer decades of value, performance, and protection that cheaper alternatives simply can't match. If you're considering a window upgrade for your Hilliard home, here are the long-term benefits of choosing high-quality windows. Superior energy efficiency that lowers utility bills. Hilliard's seasonal climate means your home must stay warm in winter and cool in summer. High-quality windows are designed with advanced insulation features that dramatically reduce heat transfer. These energy-saving features include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings that reflect heat. Argon or krypton gas fills warm edge spacers that minimize heat loss. Airtight frames and seals over time. These features significantly lower heating and cooling costs. Many Hilliard homeowners see noticeable reductions in utility bills immediately after upgrading, savings that compound every year. Enhanced comfort in every season. Poor quality windows often lead to uncomfortable drafts, hot and cold spots, and uneven temperatures throughout the home. High-quality windows solve these common issues by providing consistent insulation and better temperature regulation. With premium windows, you'll enjoy fewer drafts in fall and winter, cooler rooms during summer heat, balanced temperatures across your home, improved humidity control. This means every room in your Hilliard home feels comfortable no matter the season. Long-lasting durability and minimal maintenance. High-quality windows are built with superior materials that withstand years of weather exposure without warping, rotting, or fading. This matters in Hilliard, where homes face rain, humidity, and seasonal temperature swings. Durable window materials include fiberglass, composite, wood-clad, high-grade vinyl, aluminum reinforced frames. These windows require minimal maintenance and last far longer than low-cost alternatives, saving you money on repairs, touch-ups, and early replacements. Better noise reduction for peaceful living. Whether your Hilliard home is near a busy street, school, or bustling neighborhood, noise can easily travel through older, poorly insulated windows. High-quality windows feature thicker glass and multi-pane construction that significantly reduces outside noise. The result: a quieter home, better sleep quality, less disruption from traffic or outdoor activity, a more peaceful indoor environment. Homeowners often notice this benefit immediately after installation. Improved home security and safety. Windows are one of the most important security features in your home. High-quality windows include reinforced construction and advanced locking systems that help protect against break-ins. Safety features may include impact-resistant or laminated glass, multi-point locked, stronger frame materials, tamper-resistant hardware. These security enhancements help safeguard your home and give your family greater peace of mind. Increased home value and strong buyer appeal. Upgrading to high-quality windows is one of the best ways to add value to your Hilliard home. Buyers look for modern, energy-efficient windows because they reduce future costs and improve comfort. High-quality windows contribute to stronger curb appeal, higher resale value, faster selling times, better home inspection results. If you plan to sell in the future, premium windows can give your home a competitive edge. Enhanced curb appeal and modern-style new windows can completely transform your home's look. High-quality windows are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes that complement any architectural design, from classic to contemporary. Whether you're refreshing your exterior or updating interior spaces, premium windows make your home look cleaner, brighter, and more inviting. Final thoughts: choosing high-quality windows for your Hilliard home offers long-term benefits that far outweigh the initial investment. From energy efficiency and improved comfort to stronger security, better noise reduction, and increased property value, premium windows enhance every part of your home and your daily living experience.